Yes, 3 inches.
I know, but then they're gonna.
This is the very fragile stuff.
3 inches are 110.
Anytime it rains, you can see the flood. Everywhere is flooded. Like, these people that work here, this Keke and Pep Mara, or whatever, they increase their the fare. Anytime it rains, the fare always increase, and that's a big challenge. And anytime there's a downpour for like 24 hours, nobody goes out, nobody comes in.
See, this flood is something else. It's actually disturbing us here. Like some of us, we couldn't go to work. Even our cars too has issue because of the flood. I can tell you that one of our neighbors, water entered into her house and she used to pay 1.3 million naira for that house. The house is not well organized. So the water here is something else. We don't know if government will do something about it, because it's affecting cars apart from houses.